Ahlan, Ahmad here. Welcome to another Egyptian Arabic lesson. One of the most frequently used words in Egyptian Arabic is يعني. In this video, we'll go over 4 common ways this word is used. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel and let's dive right in. First of all, this word literally means he means or meaning. مثلا يعني إيه? Meaning what, or what does this mean, or what do you mean? That's a very common phrase. مثال تاني عجوز يعني كبير جدا. عجوز means very old. And this was the first way it's used. The second way it is used is as the conjunction so. مثلا يعني انت مسافر بكرة صح؟ So you're traveling tomorrow, right? In this example, it is used to make sure the speaker understands something correctly. مثال تاني يعني عشان كده كانت زعلانة. So that's why she was upset. Here I'm referring to a discovery I've just made. The third way it's used is just as a filler. We often say it many times within one sentence, but this doesn't really add much to the meaning. The fourth way it's used is with the meaning so. مثلا الجو حلو عندك. الجو حلو عندك يعني is the weather nice where you are? So. And given its literal meaning, it makes it similar to how it's used in English. If I asked you about the weather and it's not so great, you can say, I mean, right? So by I mean, you meant so. And that's all I have for you in this video. Go to speakegyptianarabic.com to check out our classes. شكرا على المشاهدة. سلام.